In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Marvel Rivals on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire and play Marvel Rivals on your PlayStation 5. I'm gonna teach you how to do this through the PlayStation 5 website. However, you can do this entirely on your console. All that you have to do is go into the PlayStation Store, and in here, use the search function to look for Marvel Rivals. When you look for the game, you should be able to find it under the top results. So as you can see, it is going to be the first result to pop up, and it is actually free to play. You are going to be able to spend money in game for things like the battle pass, cosmetics, skins, and so on, but to actually play the game, all that you have to do is choose the option to add to your library. If you aren't signed into an account, you will be asked to sign in so you can acquire it on your library. However, if you are doing this directly on your PlayStation 5, then it is going to appear under your library and you will be able to choose the option to actually install it. You can scroll down if you would like to see additional screenshots and videos, so you will have plenty of resources here to check out, and if you keep scrolling down, you will see more information about it. So if you have ever played Overwatch in the past, it is essentially the same idea. So it is a team-based PvP shooter. You will be able to play as your favorite characters and heroes from the Marvel roster. Each hero will have their own abilities and their own skill set. You will be able to do PvP in various different maps, and you can find this game and other team shooters available for PlayStation 5. As you can see at the moment, it is only available for PlayStation 5, and it's most likely going to stay this way, so you are only able to play Marvel Rivals if you are on a new gen console. So all that you have to do is go into the PlayStation Store and look for Marvel Rivals. Once you open the game, you will be instructed on how to play, how to set up your account, and enjoy. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Marvel Rivals on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.